Okay, so this is me trying to go back and see if I can get this thing working a little bit. So I will go over what I was going to go over in the demo. So uh, it's always the case. You try and do a demo live, and it never works. So here I am doing a demo, not so live, and just recording it. And I will share this in the. Hopefully, you see this in the comments. But basically, this is the a little bit of run through of the procrastination buster method. So I talked about in the live, we talked about listing the things that you were procrastinating about. So I've got blog post. I've then got underneath that, I've got tidy, tidy. And then I've got email to 0. And then I've got garden tidy. So as I said, the first run through this is to look at breaking this down. So I'll do simple little grid. Okay, the first run through it, I will say I'm going to give 5 minutes to each of those. So I'll record 5 minutes. I will do my 5 minutes, run through doing 5 minutes on a blog post, 5 minutes on tidying the study, 5 minutes on getting my email down to 0, 5 minutes on tidying the garden. And at the end of it, I have a little break, which is 5 minutes. Okay, so after the end of my blog post, I've done my 5 minutes and I've still got 10 minutes stuff to do, so I'll put in 10 minutes. End of doing the study, I haven't tidied it, so I need to do another 10 minutes. Email's not down to 0. I'm not lucky enough to be that close. So after 5 minutes of doing it, I need another 10 minutes. The garden still has a couple of things I need to pick up and sort out, so I need another 10 minutes. So we'll go around to the second round, and there's always a 5 minute break at the end of this. So we'll go around the second round. I'll start working on my blog post, writing some more stuff, writing some more notes, getting it started, start writing the first draft. At the end of the 10 minutes, I'd have done my 10 minutes and still haven't finished, so I will put another 15 minutes in there. My study, I will start tidying 10 minutes at the end of it, still haven't finished, so I need to put 15 minutes. My email is nowhere near 0, so again, I need to be 15 minutes. But the garden wasn't that messy, so I've done my tidy and I don't need to do anything more, so it's finished. So I will then do my 5 minute break. So I'll go around again, have my 5 minute break, and it's 15 minutes. 15 minutes of blog post. I will write the first draft, finish the first draft, and still need another 20-minute chunk. My study is still not quite as tidy as I had hoped, so I will then need to do 20 minutes. And I've still got my email down to 0. I've still got another 1,000 emails to read, or whatever your number is, due to 20 minutes. I will then have a 5 minute break. So I will do my 20 minutes of a blog post, and I've got my blog post really sort of ready that I need to give it a break. I need to now what I need to do is get someone to read it, so I need to pass it on. So that's finished. I don't need to do any more work on that at the moment. I just need to send it on. I've done my 20 minutes, finish the first draft, send it to someone to look at, and it's done. My study still is tidy, so I'm now in the 20-minute pomodoro sort of process. So I do 20 minutes of tidying my study, carry on doing it, move on to the next thing. I will then look at my email. Like I said, I've still got hundreds of emails to look through and get rid of and tidy. So again, I've got another 20 minutes of doing that. So now I'm on this sort of cycle here, which is sort of the Pomodoro cycle. I've done my blog post, that's broken the back of. I'm really getting into the swing of tidying the study, and then I can start to, after doing this, I've done 20 minutes, 25 minutes there, I've done 10, 15, 30, 40, 45 minutes there, I've done 15, 30, 45, 50 minutes there, and I've done 20, 30, 60, 65 minutes. So I've done probably all told 1, maybe 2, maybe 3 plus hours. So I've probably done a morning or an afternoon, or depending on what I need to do. Time for a bit of a break. I've now at the stage where I'm in the 20-minute cycle, so I can then break these now down into 20-minute or 25 minutes or whatever you want to do it. Pomodoros. So I can now, if I want to, break it down into 20-25 minute Pomodoros. And I don't need to do this anymore because I've broken the back of the procrastination that I had on these tasks. This is just for me to get to the stage where I need to start on something. Because once you start, you can get into the momentum of doing things. So it's easier to start with a 5 minute chunk than it is to start with a 20-minute Pomodoro, at least in my experience. So this is how I use this. So this is me just doing a little bit of a demo. Afterwards, I will post this demo up and once I've recorded it. So again, have fun. Let me know how you get on with it.